Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we're going to be looking at a new plugin today, and it's absolutely free. It's called Brain Add-ons for Divi, and they do a paid version, but we're working with the free version. You can download it from here. I'll put this link below the video. And you get 23 modules with this, and there's some great ones there. As you can see, there's dividers and teams and icon boxes and logo carousels and post lists, testimonials. And I put together this little page just to test things out. Of course, up the top here we've got the Brain News ticker that sort of ticks across the screen. When you hover over it, it'll stop. You can click on it, and these are actually titles of your blog posts here. It'll take you to whatever post you want to go to, and that's pretty cool. And next up we've got this great mass divider where you can divide it. You don't have to have it full page like I have now. You could have it any way you want, and it allows you to put in a section. You can use an icon if you want, but you can use this mass text and put any image behind your text, and that's a nice little touch too. Next up we've got these dual buttons. Instead of adding sort of two, there's two side by side for you to use there, and that's always a useful little feature. Next up we got these what they call the brain cards, and that'll pop out into a light box as well, the little image there. And we've got a little label at the top here that you can give more information with, and of course a call to action button, and they're pretty good looking, those little things right there. Next I've got a scrolling image, which is great. I've got an image of a website here. It's got that animated icon on it, and when you hover over it, it scrolls to the bottom of the image right there. That's a neat little effect. Underneath, I've seen a lot of these recently on sites, these little comparison before after images, where you just hover on it and left click and pull it right or left to reveal whichever image you want. And we've got an image carousel. I've chosen to do it vertically on this particular one today. That's a nice little feature too. You've got some nice little stat counter bars, or skill bars I believe they call them. And we've got some interesting numbers, and there's some nicely styled numbers there that work very well if you want to label or number things, or just get some numbers out there. Here's one of my favorites. It's a person module, but you can kind of use it like a hover box. We've got the image of a lady there. Hover over it, it's going to scroll up and give you some information, and we've got all kind of links you can put in there: a website, email, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc., LinkedIn, and the same for these here. And you've got different animations for it. Although this is called a person module, you could actually use it for any kind of pop-up you wanted. Use whatever image you want, image of a recipe if you wanted, and put the recipe there or whatever and link to it. There's a nice little feature too. Just down below that we've got our little review or testimonial. Here we've got some icon boxes, and again they're nice little info boxes that you can have the various different elegant icons popping up there to use as you will. Down below there we've got some info boxes, and I've actually used these for videos, and obviously you click on it and the video starts playing, and that's quite a nice idea. I might end up using these on my blog, and then you can have a little go to channel button or whatever you like for your call to action at the bottom of those. Again, that's a nice little idea here. And down below, these are called reviews, obviously because they've got the stars, but you can put a nice image in there and a title and some stars description, call to action button, and you could use this on your e-commerce site to feature products and what have you, and just link them to the product page. So there's some really nice little features there. Like I say, we'll be going over a few of these in builds in future videos, but I'll put this link below the videos. And like I say, this is absolutely free. I'm just using the free version with this today. So there you go, Brain Add-ons for the Divi Builder. Check it out, I think you'll enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed this today. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.